Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to write your own class. So in each class you need instance variables, a constructor to create your class and give it all its assigned variables, the methods, which are the getters, and then the setters. So the getters are going to say you want to find out what's the name of your test. You would put test.getName and it would return the name. But I'll go into that in a little bit later. So alright, your instance variables, they're just going to be the variables that you're going to want to define your class. So like for an example, mine is test, and for test I'm going to need the name that goes with the test, the grade, and what the grade total is of the entire test. Constructor is what's going to create your class. So for my first constructor, I did one that would just create the default values for my class. So I just put name equals Joe, grade equals 90, total equals 100, which are using these private instance variables. The second constructor will actually take three parameters to change the instance variables to whatever the user has inputted in the tester. Like over here. Alright, so the methods, as I was saying before, you can get the name, which would return whatever name is currently assigned to, and then whatever grade is currently assigned to, or whatever total is currently assigned to. You can set the name by using the method setName, which you would take the parameter of whatever name that you want to set. For like example right here, I'm setting the name to Bob, and you would make the private variable name equal the parameter variable test name. For set grade and set total, since I don't want anything that is negative, then that's why I added this if else statement. If test grade is less than 0, then print out an error and tell the user that the grade must be a positive value, and then have it set to the default value of 90, which I have up here. And then, set grade to 90, but if it's not negative, you can go ahead and set private variable grade to the parameter test grade. And same thing goes with test total, just except for setting total to test total. Now, in the tester, you can go ahead and test it right here. So, just in your main method, you create your, you call for a test using the class that you just created. And then, so let's just go ahead and print out what those values are right now. It should print out the default values that I have set right here. And it does, right there. Alright, so now let's set the name to Bob. And like so, the name has been changed to Bob. Now let's try to set grade to a negative value and see what happens. And just like it said, error must be a positive value thanks to this that I set over here. And then you can do the same with test total. Now we can change this to a positive value now. And just like that, now you know that your class works perfectly fine. And well, that'll be all for today's video. Thank you.